Now again mapping rivers. Now this you need to have some idea. Okay. So here some places we know Tiruchirappalli in Cauvery, Pandharpur, Chandrabhaga. Chandrabhaga is basically also another name for river Krishna. Malaprabha is a tributary of Krishna. Hampi is located on the banks of the river Tungabhadra, which is again a tributary of Krishna. Again, so again you need to have a slight knowledge of the maps. So again, if we consider this map, I have arranged for you 4 different maps. So if we consider the Black Sea, Black Sea is here, and Croatia is somewhere to this side. Croatia is actually in this place. Black Sea is here. So obviously this is the wrong answer. Then we come to the easier portions. Caspian Sea is with Kazakhstan. Caspian Sea, Kazakhstan. So this is correct. Mediterranean Sea is Morocco. So this is correct. Red Sea is this. Syria is somewhere on the above this. So this is wrong. So already if you have trouble with Adriatic Sea and Albania, so you don't have to cross out 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 crossed out, so already you are left with 1, 3 and 4. Adriatic Sea, you can note here, Adriatic Sea is here and Albania is here on the border. On 21st June, the sun, again, you have to be careful in these type of questions. So on 21st June, like we saw in that previous image, on 21st June, what will happen? On 21st June, pardon my drawing, so this is the sun, and on 21st June, like 21st June is fast approaching here, so the earth, this is the earth, this is tilted on the axis, and this is the northern hemisphere, this is the southern hemisphere, this is the equator. So it is actually the summer solstice. So now you can see, let's start by eliminating, it will be easier. Shines vertically overhead at noon on the equator. So this is wrong. This can happen only during the equinoxes. This is possible only during the equinoxes. Shines vertically overhead at the Tropic of Capricorn. This is currently at this place, it is actually shining on top of the Tropic of Cancer. So again, this Capricorn will happen on the winter solstice. Okay, so these two options are left. Does not set below the horizon at the Arctic Circle. Set below the horizon at the, it means that does not set. That means that at Arctic Circle during this period, there will be no, there will always be day and no night for a period of about 5 to 6 months. So at during this period when the sun on 21st June, so you can see the sunlight, this portion, the Antarctic region is away from the sun, so sunlight does not reach this portion, but the Arctic region is directly. So even if the earth is revolving like this, rotating like this, so again for period of 5 to 6 months the sunlight will directly fall, there will be no night. And another thing is, if we are on a position like we are standing here, we will experience till day and night because we will rotating from west to east, the earth is rotating, and there will be at night we will be here. But a person standing over here, he is going to keep rotating on this axis. So he will continuously receive sunlight for a significant period. So here the sun will not set. Again, I forgot that I had given in the image also. So again, polar day 6 months of day, Arctic Circle 24 hours of daylight. This is a very factual questions. So Denisovan is a nomenclature for an earlier human species.